Hunkydory has brought back a blast from the past. It is called "Twas the Night Before Christmas" storybook. And this package, and you can see how thick it is, look at that, is going to make one Christmas storybook. Now, let me show you what's in the kit, but you know, I think before I go there, I'm going to give you a preview of what Linnea is going to show on her September 3rd blog. This is the end result. So you can see the foiling that Hunkydory is well known for. There's chipboard in here, and this book has insert areas where the printed imagery goes. So it is multiple pages, and it's tied together with the ribbon that you just saw. And you can also customize this and put in your photos, or just simply leave with the imagery that it comes in the kit. Now, Debbie has added dazzles all through her pages, which I think is a brilliant move on her part. But let me show you what you get in the kit. So let me scoot it back here. Okay, so you are going to get the ribbon, as you saw. Probably most importantly and most reassuringly, you're going to get step-by-step instructions. So that's so handy. So no guesswork in this. And the way it works is like this. You will see a piece of chipboard that's already die cut. Just poke out those holes and the frame, and then you'll see a matching piece of paper that's foiled, and you'll glue that, well, you remove the areas, and you'll glue that on top, and then you'll glue the piece that fits inside to the back. Okay? How can you tell which ones go together? Well, I guess those two are pretty obvious, aren't they? But then you'll see that this same shape is what the Santa image has on it. So this is your title of your book. Okay? So this gets glued to the back after you punch that out. After you punch the pieces out, that gets glued on top. Then you have one page, and that's what you saw right here. Now, to get to the second page, you'll notice on the instructions, it shows you right here. Here is something that looks kind of orangey looking, and it has a big oval and then another cutout. So this one looks just like that. Pop those out. This looks just like it. Pop the pieces out, glue this, and then this piece comes in one piece, and you're going to glue that in the back so that those show inside the frames just like this. Super, super easy. Now, when you're all done laying those out and gluing them together, then you can take the ribbon and run it through, and then just do this crossing technique and put a bow at the top, and you've got a book that will open up. Now, you can ink the edges, you can add dazzles, you can put photographs, whatever you like. Let's see, this is going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pages. And by the way, notice that the pages go back to back, so you're going to glue those together too. So it's very easy to do, and yet makes an absolutely stunning finished project. A perfect gift for a child at Christmas, and a wonderful keepsake. Now, we do have these in stock, and we do have a limited quantity. So if you're ready for "Twas the Night Before Christmas" storybook, it's right here for you at paperwishes.com.